The 20th match of IPL 2025 will witness a high-stakes encounter between two royal teams, Royal Challengers Bangalore and the Rajasthan Royals at the Savai Mansingh Stadium in Jaipur on April 13th. Rajasthan Royals have struggled for consistency so far, managing only 2 wins in their 5 outings. In their last match, they were handed a heavy defeat by the Gujarat Titans despite a gritty effort from Shimron Hetmyer. On the other hand, Royal Challengers Bangalore have shown better rhythm, registering 3 victories in their 5 games. However, they are coming off a loss against Delhi Capitals, where Tim David played a lone hand with the bat. RCB's middle order has lacked fluency at times, but the presence of experienced names like Virat Kohli, Phil Salt and Rajat Patidar continues to provide hope. Moving on to the head-to-head record between these two sides. The edge-to-edge between these two teams reflect closely contested encounters. RCB holds a slight edge with 15 wins as compared to RR's 14 in their last 29 meetings, with both the teams eager to strengthen their playoff claims. This match promises to be a crucial mid-season showdown. Moving on to the weather and pitch report of the Rajasthan Royals RCB match. Temperatures are expected at around 28 degrees Celsius, whereas weather forecast is scattered clouds. Pitch behavior is obviously batting friendly, best suited to the pace bowlers. Average first inning score here is around 187 runs, and teams chasing have good record, having 54% win rate. Moving on to the predicted playing 11s of Rajasthan Royals and the Royal Challengers. Firstly, the Rajasthan Royals. Yashasvi Jaiswal opening alongside Sanju Samson, the captain and the wicketkeeper. Nitish Rana at number 3, Riyan Parag at number 4, Dhruv Jurel at number 5, Shimron Hetmyer at number 6, Jofra Archer at number 7, Mahesh Deekshana at number 8, Fazal Haq Farooqi at number 9, Sandeep Sharma at number 10, Tushar Deshpande at number 11, and Shubham Dubey can come in as the impact player. Moving on to the RCB playing 11, Virat Kohli opening alongside Phil Salt, having Devdutt Padikkal at number 3, Rajat Patidar the captain at number 4, Liam Livingston at number 5, Jitesh Sharma the wicketkeeper at number 6, Tim David at number 7, Krunal Pandya at number 8, Bhuvaneshwar Kumar at number 9, Josh Hazelwood at number 10, Yash Dayal at number 11, and Suyash Sharma can come in as the impact player. Now the hot picks for our RCB match, Dream 11 prediction and the fantasy cricket tips. Firstly, the captaincy picks. Virat Kohli. The RCB icon scored just 22 runs in the last match, but is always a dependable fantasy asset, especially on batting surfaces. Rajat Patidar, with steady 25 in the previous outing, Patidar continues to be a consistent contributor in RCB's middle order. Top picks for this match are Phil Salt, known for his aggressive intent. Salt scored a brisk 37 in the last match and can change the game quickly in the power play. Sanju Samson, the Royal skipper, brings stability and flair to the top order and is coming off a composed 41-run knock in the last match. Now the budget picks. Sandeep Sharma, a reliable swing bowler. Sandeep can be effective, especially in the power play with the new ball. And Shimron Hetmyer, a dangerous finisher. Hetmyer's explosive stroke play makes him a handy budget option. Now moving on to the creamy part, RCB vs RR Dream 11 predicted teams. Team 1, safe team for small leagues. Wicket keepers are Sanju Samson and Phil Salt. Batsmen are Virat Kohli, Rajat Patidar, Yashasvi Jaiswal and Shimron Hetmyer. All-rounders can be Krunal Pandya, Liam Livingston and Riyan Parag. And finally, the bowlers are Jofra Archer, Josh Hazelwood. This team will be led by veteran Virat Kohli, who is having great number in Jaipur as well, having Phil Salt as the vice-captain. Moving on to Team 2, risky team for the Grand Leagues. Wicket keepers are Sanju Samson and Phil Salt. Batsmen can be Virat Kohli, Rajat Patidar and Yashasvi Jaiswal. All-rounders are Krunal Pandya, Liam Livingston and Riyan Parag. And the bowlers are Jofra Archer, Josh Hazelwood and Bhuvaneshwar Kumar. This team will be led by Rajat Patidar, having Sanju Samson as the vice-captain. Moving on to the expert advice for Dream 11 teams of RR RCB match. Small League captaincy choice is Virat Kohli. Grand League captaincy choice is Rajat Patidar. Punt picks can be Bhuvaneshwar Kumar and Shimron Hetmyer. An ideal Dream 11 team combination is 2 wicket keepers, 4 batsmen, 3 all-rounders and 2 bowlers. Moving on to the final segment, RR vs RCB match winners prediction. Although Royal Challengers Bangalore have a slightly better record, the Rajasthan Royals are likely to win this match considering their squad depth and home advantage in Jaipur. So stay tuned for more of cricket analysis, match updates and Dream 11 predictions only on your favorite channel, Cricket Addictor.